Welcome to the great video where two racers shall race. Who will finish first? Should it be Javin Marquez on his Fisher Price Mobile?
I got a fast car, man.
Or would it be Ramon the car? Hey. And racers, get in your position.
I'm gonna drive muscle today because that car over there has no sort of steam. I'm gonna be driving backwards.
When I say go, you guys can go, okay?
Wait, I'm trying my car.
Tell me.
Alright.
On your mark. On your mark. Get set, go!